Well, good morning. We are at High Shoals Falls Loop Trail. We're going to Chestnut Knob Trail. It's supposed to be a 5.3 mile hike. We were here earlier last year and couldn't do the trail. It was so foggy, but we got full sun today, so we're coming up to our turn off. Chestnut Knob Trail. Here we go. Well, we've encountered an obstacle in this course. So we're gonna go through the limbs and try to stay on the trail. We can do this. Well, so far it's been kind of a moderate incline and we've got steps at the moment. Starting to get our heart rate up, but it's not too bad this morning. It was in the 60s this morning, so yeah. Well, we've got about a mile into the trail. We're just now coming out to some points that you can view. We've been in the shade the entire time, but it's been a good hike, but we just hadn't had any views, so let's get to the views. Well, came out to a overlook. We're in South Mountain State Park. This is our view. Chestnut Knob Trail. Well, we've gone about 2 miles. We're still pretty much under the canopy. We've only had a couple overlooks, but we're soon going to be at the top. And at least that's what I've heard. So 2 miles in, a little further to go. Yeah. We came to this intersection, so we're going to the Chestnut Knob overlook. It's 0.2 miles this way. Well, we made it to the overlook. We passed a guy earlier, said someone had spotted rattlesnakes up here this morning. So let's make sure we stay on the trail. I ain't spotted anything, but I'm gonna have my eyes open. We went a little bit further out. This is pretty cool rock formations. Sarah stayed behind. Let me do the snake screening process. Screening for snakes. Alright. Decided to come on out to this point. Sarah up there. She didn't want to come down here with me, but it's pretty cool being down here though. Good views. Well, we've left the overlook and we're headed back out. We got to go uphill before we can go back downhill. But anyway, we're headed back to the parking lot. It's been a pretty good hike. It was a nice overlook. Not as young as I used to be.
All right.
I made it. Well, we finished our trail. South Mountain State Park. We did the Chestnut Trail. I have my memory all screwed up. Anyway, we finished our trail and pretty good morning. I'm ready to go in and take a shower.